All right, my people. Now welcome back. This one another one where they reach also. No be small something. I don't tell una before. Say the Yoruba people like this. They no take am easy again. The Yoruba people, everybody don't wake up. They don't talk and say time now don't reach. Make una tell Gani Adam. Say yeah. Now Yoruba land then they call am o. Say yeah, no be tapa. Some people they say the man, we don't know where him for come. Some they say no be Yoruba man. Now the Yoruba people don't tire. They don't even know. They don't wake up. Finally, say as far as this movement they so Iba Gani Adams must tell us where him for come. Say because na tapa person we know say him be. We don't know how he won't come to the claim saying a Yoruba man. Because now we don't say the blood of that place where him for come. Now him be the thing where they push him. Now everybody don't come outside. Come they talk him. Say now this man Iba Gani Adams, he must come outside. Come tell us where him for come. And now people can't talk say we don't even need to even stress ourselves too much, because we know say this man now from Takpa, he no be Yoruba man. Now he make am they misbehave the way in they misbehave. Now the strong thing we can dey inside now be say they don't talk say make the police people them make them go carry Iba Gani Adams. So now waiting all Yoruba people they cry now. Say they need to go carry this man for defamation of character, for defaming Chief Sunday Igboho's character. Say they must carry him. Say many cases don't they neck like this. So this same man will tell us say ain't no who kpai Bola Ige. The same Bola Ige will be say then they find the people wey kpai am since. According to the news where they reach our table, then they talk am say this Bola Ige don't die like 23 years. Now this man don't kpai, and since then they find who kpai this man. They never see. But now Iba Gani Adams can't come out after 23 years say he know the person wey kpai Bola Ige. Same Bola Ige wey be say in a better person for this country. The same Bola Ige wey be say everybody they worry. Everybody know they happy the way they take by this man. Everybody know they happy at all. Everybody come they say if they see the day where they go see the person wey kpai this man, say dem go happy o, and then wetin dem go do the person wey kpai this man no go be small something o. In fact, as e come be now, the whole Yoruba people dem don dey happy. Say now wey Iba Gani Adams don say him don see the person wey kpai am. Say true Iba Gani Adams na him don be the bad person, because he know the person wey kpai Iba Gani he wey kpai Bola Ige since he no talk, and he call himself Yoruba man. He no talk, but now in secret don leak o. He say that thing wey him dey talk about Chief Sunday Igboho, say Chief Sunday Igboho follow kpai Iba Gani Adams. Say now he go talk am for DSS office. My brother, my sister, and I don't say no be small gbege. Iba Gani Adams don't put himself now. No be small something no. Now him he don't put himself. Now they don't call on the commissioner of police. They don't call on DSS. They don't call SSS. All of them where they say anywhere where they dey. May they can't carry this man. You need to confess. And the Yoruba people call they talk say This man so make dem no let am run o, make dem no let am japa o, because now him go dey find way to japa, because this thing wey he talk him go explain am o. A whole Chief Sunday Igboho, you call am, you come dey talk tell people say na him kpai, him know about the kpaing of Bola Ige. Na wetin come dey happen now, everybody come dey talk am say no, this man him go talk wetin him see, how him take know about the kpaing of Bola Ige. No be small something o. Say now Gani Adams, him no big pass Yoruba people, him no big pass the whole of Naija, him no big pass everybody wey dey this Nigeria. So as e be now, him must tell us how him take know who kpai Bola Ige, the same Bola Ige wey everybody don cry sotey then they say the day wey God go do am, wey be say dem go see the person wey kpai Bola Ige, dem go happy well o. And then wetin dem go do the person, hey, the person sef go follow be that o. Now no be small gbege, Gani Adams don put himself. Say that thing wey he say him know, him go talk am o, because Bola Ige no be small man o. Now una kpai this man for the past 23 years. Na no come outside come talk as this man take kpai. Say the big problem wey Gani Adams wan carry put for Yoruba people head, say na in head he go turn back to, because Yoruba people dem big pass only Gani Adams. And now many people don come outside dey talk say Gani Adams, na now we know say him no be Yoruba man, him na takpa. Na wetin dey reach us now be that o. Now everybody don dey wait to see Gani Adams for DSS office. As e be so, him must come outside come tell everybody how him take see person wey kpai Bola Ige, and then him go come talk how him take see say Chief Sunday Igboho dey among the people wey kill Bola Ige. Now my brother, my sister, this one no be small matter again o. Before we been dey think say okay, na something wey be say all of us go just settle among ourselves. We will be Yoruba people, we go just call ourselves, we go just settle am, make everything just die. But the way it come be now, my brother, my sister, this one na big gbege for Gani Adams o. No be waiting we dey talk now. Him go must come outside, and everybody dey wait for DSS make dem come carry am. Na waiting dey reach our table be that o. We can say make I let una know as e dey go. My people, na so e be unto this one. If you never subscribe for this channel, abeg make you subscribe, make you share, and then make you dey like all our work. Na so as you dey like am, na so God sef go dey like all your work. Na bye for now.